Discovering that a supposed friend has betrayed you can be a painful and confusing experience. It could involve mean comments, spreading rumors, or revealing secrets. Before making any decisions, it's important to gather all the facts. While some friendships can be repaired, others may need to be let go. Request a private conversation with your friend to address the situation. It's best to meet in a public place if you don't see them regularly. Maintain a calm demeanor during the conversation, as yelling or becoming overly emotional won't be helpful. Express what you've heard without mentioning names and explain how their actions have hurt you. Listen to your friend's side of the story without interrupting or attacking them. Avoid arguing with your friend, as it will cause them to withdraw. Focus on truth and honesty instead of trying to prove who is right or wrong. If the discussion becomes tense, suggest taking a break to cool down. Evaluate if the friendship is worth saving based on your friend's honesty and a commitment to improve. Remember, conflict can sometimes be an opportunity to strengthen communication and make the friendship better.